Hey YouTube, it's me, Ed. I got a 2003 Nissan Xterra. My problem was when you try to shift the gear, you have to press the button, or you have to press the brake, and the button one time and the second time, then you can shift the gears. So, I figured out the problem. My problem was these little, okay, let me do my camera here. Okay, here's the camera. See that little, here I'll show you with the other, that like a screwdriver type of thing. Okay, a little dark in here. Here's something I already know. Anyway, okay, what happened is this right here needed some grease. All you gotta do is grease that up. You should be good. Good to go, because the button gets stuck. It doesn't have enough grease. It all wears out and stuff and over dries from the hot weather and all that good stuff. So I used some grease and I just kind of greased it up. Now, all the way. Okay. It's locked up. Now, see, that don't work. Here, I'll press my brake. Now, oh, brake. See, that's what it does. Actually, I gotta grease up some more, I guess. It is a lot better though. So, alright. Thanks for watching.